We were taught, and this is not to blame the church. We are the church. The building is just the sanctuary. Religion and theology is the real culprit here. Who owned the school of theology? The Gentiles. We were taught the things that was said about Mama Africa was not nice. Genesis 9 verse 21 to 27. Exodus chapter 21 and elsewhere in the book. We were programmed to believe our family back home in Africa was cursed. Genesis 9, 21 and 27. Noah has a black son named Ham, who has a son named Canaan. Ham looked upon his father nakedness and laughed, and his son Canaan was cursed by God. We were told that Africa is the land of Ham, the land of Canaan, the black race. We were also given the impression that everyone from Africa was black, like Essa Spade, because they were cursed. No wonder we grow up to hear the saying, anything black no good. This was their interpretation. Japhet is the white race. Shem is the dark race. Ham is the black race. And Africa is the land of Ham. Because of this, Western religion was never crying out to the Most High on the behalf of Mama Africa. Western religion was never crying out to the Most High for the awakening of Africa. But God is marvelous in his wonders. He used people of the world who Christian call sinners to echo far and near. He used a king in Jamaica, King Bob Marley, and some prince and princess of this soil to keep echoing near and far, to keep echoing who we are and whose we are. The Most High said it himself in Jeremiah 4:22. My people are foolish. They have not known me. Thus said the Lord. Many of our people are still asleep because of religion. They are still praying for impostor. Revelation 2:9. Revelation 3:9. Instead of praying for our people back home in the motherland, the real promised land. Notwithstanding, us who are awake, we are crying out at the altar now and always with the spirit of our forefather, who are now crying out too with a loud voice, asking, how long, O Lord, must we wait for you to avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth? Revelation 6:10. God bless. God bless. Love you, Mama Africa. Love you.